Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing, guys. This is 8,000 and 6,000 square meters at 250 pesos per square meter, located in Barangay Kauswagan, San Isidro, Bohol. Approximately 30 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. And this is the property, side by side. The first one here at the right side is the 8,000 square meters. Then this 8,000 square meters, the one he pointed at. So the one he on the other side, so that is 6,000. The one he point, no? Yung nagitudlo. The first one is this one is the 8,000. The other side is the 6,000. Medyo elevated po ang 6,000. It's elevated. So along this concrete road, it is a provincial road, and it has also a public utility vehicle like service bus line. So the one he's telling, that is the 6,000 square meters. And then at the right side is the 8,000. The same owner, guys, the same owner. So parihara ang tag-iya. Water, electricity, and signal are available. So kini man good, guys. It's an inherited property. Then the state tax was already paid by the owner, no? Ibayaran na sa tag-iya. Usually man good, owner naman kasagaran mo contact na to. Owner is contacting me that they have a property for sale at a very affordable price. So barato kayo, guys. This is ideal for residential, farming, and commercial. Pwede siya gamon commercial. So this is the property. Side by side. You can buy both. Very affordable. Just only 250 pesos per square meter. Barato gid kayo, bihapon. Then, see, 30 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. 50 minutes drive from Panglao International Airport. Let's say 1 hour from Panglao Airport. So, mana siya, guys, no? It's really very, very nice. Then there is also the 8,000 nagluyo back to back ang road. The road is back to back in this 8,000 square meters. So tugaan sa karsada. It is in between of the road. So see, he told that this is the other one is for sale. It's part of the for sale property. And this one is also the part of 6,000 square meters. Medyo elevated siya, guys. Elevated and has so many trees. Assorted trees. So nindot sa nagmalimpyo, no? Excuse me. It's really very affordable. 250 pesos per square meter. Nasa kamangitana. Barato kayo. So this is the 6,000. 6,000 and 8,000. Just contact me. 6,000. 6,000 square meters. This one. Okay. This one is the 8,000. The one with the person, no? Mana siya, guys, no? Nya, galuyo ang kalsada. Back to back. So, there's another road below. So, there's ubos, guys, at the back of this fence or Si tawagan ni Brandilla, no. There is another road. From the start of our video, there is a corner, no. So this is the back portion of the road, no, the one, where our car park, no. So this a little portion of this road is part of the property, and this is the one, no, the back portion of the 8,000 square meters. Mo ni likod sa 8,000 day. Aday naman guys. So mo na siya, no. There's another road. It's a provincial road again. So very nice, no. Again, the location is the interior part of Bohol province. San Isidro is just only 30 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. San Isidro, Bohol. So, see, you can build a house, you can build a poultry or piggery, or backyard lang, guys. See, that is part of the property. So, very nice, though, and very affordable. Remember, it's 250 pesos per square meter. Yeah, bugno diri, a little bit cooler. Daghan na mga kahoy diri, guys. So, see? Actually, the owner in this location is not around. They are somewhere in the other barangay. So, excuse. So, again, this is part of the property. There's a small pond, no? Nilang isda niya, guys. It's part of the property. So, nindot, no? Okay ra sad kayo. Dool ra man ni sa Tagbilaran. Near to Tagbilaran City. It's just 30 minutes drive. But if you are a fast driver, I think it's less than. Then you can do farming. Pwede nimo putlon tanang kahoy, guys, para makita gyud, no? You can cut all the trees if you want, no? Because it's really kanang mahaungan ka ba, kanang si tawag ganing mahaungan, eh. There's so many trees around. So this is the location. So it's part, no? Apil pala ang tulubi, ang tutay gitawag og baang tapos unahan. It's part of 8,000 square meters at 250 pesos per square meter. So this one also, no? So it's really a concrete road and wide frontage, so you can build a house, then a store. Pwede diha, guys. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title, and if you have properties for sale, just submit to us. So mo na siya, guys. Pwede mo process og title niya na kay property nga baligya, i-submit lang. Thank you.